In today's world, where there are so many information online, the good, the bad, and the ugly, as a parent, you should control what app and how much time your children spend online. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can go about that. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. There are so many apps you can use to track your children online activity. In this video, I'll be showing you just one app I found helpful. So let's head to the Play Store. On the Play Store, we'll be installing Safe Lagoon Parental Control. Safe Lagoon Parental Control. We'll be installing it now. Safe Lagoon Parental Control. With this app, you can checkmate your children online activity from the time they spend online and which app they should use. It is installed now, so we open it. This is Safe Lagoon Parental Control. Welcome to Safe Lagoon. If you have an account already, you will sign in. If you don't have, this is my first time, so I will create an account. You input your first name, your last name, as well as your email address. Your email, where they will send you notifications. It should be also your login. Okay, so I will input my first name, last name, and email address. You should do the same now. The next should be password. You input your password. Your password must be at least 6 characters. When you are done, click on Create Account. A 6-digit confirmation code has been sent to the email. So input the 6-digit confirmation here and select Next. The next thing is to choose which device you are setting up. I'm setting up my own device now, so I will select Parents. Click on Next. Create a child's profile. Which child are you creating this profile for? Input the child's name here and click Next. Select the age group for this child and select Next. Or you can use your own images. You can upload an image or select an avatar. I'll be going with an avatar. Select an avatar or an image from your camera. Select Next. Is this information correct? If it is, select yes or no, and the account will be created. Good work. You've just made your first profile. Next, you need to install this same app on your child's device and select the profile you just created as you set up. Okay? The next thing is to select Next. Make sure you use this same app on your child's mobile device. Now that everything is set, this is the interface you should be seeing as a parent. Okay, the first is screen mirrors. The screen mirror lets you review and screenshots from your child's device. You will need to make sure your child's phone is connected to the internet for images to begin to appear here. With this, you can screenshot from your child's device. The next one is internet. With this internet, you will be able to know how much time he should spend online. You will need every detail you need. Okay, how much time he or she should spend online, you have to input it here. The next one is location. With this, you'll be able to locate where your child is. This is a location tracker. The next is screen time. With screen time, you will know how long he should use the phone and which app he should use. This is screen time. This is 0 hours because I've not used it. You can set your schedules and screen time. You can select the apps used here. Next is chats. For every chat, you will get the details. You can schedule, and for every calls and text, they will appear here. Okay, this is Safe Lagoon Parental Control. If you install this app on your phone, make sure you install same on your child's phone as well. With this, you'll be able to monitor every online activity on your child's phone. Okay, there are so many apps from the App Store that can do this, but I found this so amazing and I felt that I should share with you guys. Install this on your phone. install it on your child's phone as well. With this, you'll be able to know how much time he should spend online, with which app, and the calls, the text, as well as the location. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.